Happy holidays, Salesforce admins. Rather than a traditional episode, I've decided to give you a modern fable. It's called The Gift of the Admin. Once in a company not unlike yours, there was an admin named Riley, the kind of admin who could fix a broken report before the requestor even finished explaining it. Now, every season brought its own challenges. Deadlines, new features, odd little mysteries that crept into the org like snowflakes, unique, intricate, and occasionally inconvenient. But this season felt different. People were tired, teams were stretched, and the org itself seemed to sigh under the weight of so many expectations. So Riley decided to give a gift, not a wrapped one, not a shiny one, but a gift only an admin could give. Clarity. Riley began quietly, almost invisibly, cleaning up old fields no one used, fixing automation that everyone complained about but no one had the time to understand, and organizing objects like a librarian restoring order to a well-loved shelf. They documented things no one remembered building. They created a dashboard that told the truth in a way executives could finally understand. They met with a team that felt unheard and turned their ideas into something real. Little by little, the org brightened. People moved with more confidence. Decisions came easier. Work flowed instead of stumbled. And one morning, someone said, "I don't know what changed, but everything just feels clearer." Riley smiled. The best admin work often goes unseen, but never unfelt. Because the gift of the admin isn't the features they build or the bugs they squash or the fires they quietly put out. The gift of the admin is alignment. The gift of the admin is understanding. The gift of the admin is a better tomorrow, built one thoughtful choice at a time. And that's a gift every org needs, no matter the season. Happy holidays, Salesforce admins.